and yellow. These four colours make up the layers in our sandpaper layer. Let's make our first layer. Pour some sand on some paper. Rub the chalk into the sand and rub hard. Now look how it starts to change colour. Now my sand is a beautiful pink colour and his is a green colour. Sand into the jar. That's our first layer done. Let's make the second. Now I'm making blue and I'm using yellow. Remember to rub the colours into the sand. Did you know sand is basically broken down shells and rocks? Look at Jack going for it. Look at my blue. Look at my yellow. Let's pour in our second layer. Doesn't always look great. Let's do Jack's. Pink, yellow, green, blue. I'll do green. Look at that. I've done my third layer. Whoa. That looks new. Jack's doing pink.